Hi everyone, Sharron from NTI Academy here. Today I'd like to share with you a helpful tip on how to quickly get access to video tutorials in Autodesk software. For the purpose of this demo, I've chosen Revit Architecture, which I already started in my e-training and able to quickly access from my dashboard. By clicking Resume, I'm navigated directly into my complete basic Revit course. Instead of taking the course step by step, I choose the eDemos playlist here on the right, and a new window opens with all of the videos that are included within this course. Because the videos are already structured into specific topics, it makes it easy for me to quickly find what I'm looking for and click on the feature I want to learn more about. I can easily move this window to another screen and continue working, and each time I need to search something, I have it available within seconds. No more wasting time surfing for answers because I have everything at my fingertips. Want to learn more? Then visit our website.